Hi everybody, it's Carol. Welcome to my channel. And this is Gerri. I can barely get her in this camera shot here. I've tried adjusting it. I don't know what to do. So, I don't know if that's going to stay. If it falls off, I'm sorry. But this is Gerri. She's so beautiful. I had to show her off. Hi, Gerri. Yes. She is a shepherd mix, and she's a beautiful little girl. She's going to help me open the thread up box tonight. Right, Gerri? Oh, Holly sees we're getting attention over here. Hi, Holly. Hi. You would be over here, but you won't sit still. Okay. Got a thread up box today, and I'm going to open that up. It is a fun box. You see what we got, huh? It's probably nothing you will like, Holly. But we'll see. It's bigger than we usually get. I usually don't get them this big. Maybe that's a good sign. I hope it's better than the last one. The last one was kind of laughable. But we'll see. Because it's fun. Aww. We got a little box like this, and it came with a pin that says I wear used clothes. Isn't that nice? And we're going to open it up. Ready? Ready, Gerri? Are you ready? Are you ready? You don't look ready. Holly's ready. Oh my gosh, got a mishmash of stuff. Socks from George. These are Walmart. I know George very well. I used to wear George a lot when I worked in an office. Can we put that over there, sweetie? And a Vera Bradley little luggage tag. That's cute. You like that? Huh? Yeah? Ooh, Bewitched Fright Night false eyelashes. It'd be very frightening wearing those. You think so? I think so too. Ooh, we got a sparkly something. Oh, it's a Kate Spade phone case. This is cute. Look at that. How glittery and pretty it is. Probably for an iPhone. I don't think this would fit my phone. It's too little. I've got a big old Galaxy. That's cute though. We could sell this on Poshmark, I bet. You like that? Is that pretty? Ooh, she likes the bling bling. You like the bling bling? Yeah. That's pretty cool, huh? Ooh, we got something wrapped up here. This is gold digging since 2009. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Mad Style. It's a wallet. Very nice. Little compartments in there. It looks like it's new. Very, very nice. It's kind of got a bamboo look to it. Very cool. Let's see what else we got. Oops, something else is wrapped up. It's like opening presents, huh? Ooh. What is this? Christy Maxwell, New York. Some kind of a bag. Are you stealing my Kate Spade stuff? Watch it, girly. It's kind of used. Still nice little bag. You like that, Holly? Holly likes to steal stuff and run away. No. No. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Oh, we got a little headband, I think. A scrunchie. I always think of Sex and the City when I hear scrunchie, because when she told her writer boyfriend that there would never be a girl wearing a scrunchie in a book. And just the way she said, scrunchie. though. That's very nice. Let's see. Got a few more things in here. Ooh, we have a scarf. Look at that. Very beautiful. It's kind of a green. It's got pineapples on it and feathers. I don't think it has any kind of a tag on it. Oh, here's a tag. Doesn't really say anything. That's that. This is, oh, a mitt diffuser. I guess you put it on the end of your blow dryer. Brand new in the package. That's cool. Oh, you wouldn't like this very much. This is the last thing in the box. It is a cat purse. See the kitty cat? Kitty cat? Meow. Meow. Uh-oh. She doesn't like kitty cats. Neither do you. You chase anything. You chase birds. You chase little kids. But that's kind of cute. Little cat purse. You in the package. It's got Japanese writing on it or something. X dolls. Cute little kitty cat. Well, that certainly was fun. I had a good time with that. Got a lot of goodies here that we can have fun with. Yes. So that was $22 and I got free shipping on it. This is probably the best thing, this little phone case. If it fits any phones, it looks kind of small, maybe like an iPhone or something. It's kind of little. But I'll have to check that out and see what's up with that. Little bling bling phone case. I don't think I'll be wearing these anytime soon. But I bet my daughter might like them. Sabrina, do you think you would like these? She's probably very embarrassed I'm mentioning her name right now. And this wallet is cute. I really like that. The bamboo look. And hey, I got new socks out of the deal. Although I don't wear brown very much. I wear blue with my blue jeans. But that was really fun. I don't think I'm going to be getting thread up boxes for a while. I'm going to kind of wean myself off of them. I'm probably going to do more clothing hauls and stuff like that. I'm going to go to the bins for the first time on Friday. So that's going to be awesome. And I've never been there before. It's going to be a real experience. I got up to 300 items in my Poshmark store. If you want to look at that, the link is on my banner. There's a lot of good stuff in there right now. I still have to put my shoes from my thread up box in there. So take a look at that. And I've got about 100 items in my eBay store now. And Etsy, I think I was at 300 items. I'm not sure anymore. I've been kind of neglecting the Etsy, which I shouldn't do because Etsy was my first love. So, but thank you for coming. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. And please like and share and subscribe. I'm going to put some more videos out about reselling. So, did you have fun, Gerri? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? No? You look tired. I left you alone with Holly all day, didn't I? Yeah. Okay. She's tired. So am I, working all day. So thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. I'm not sure what we'll have on next time, but we'll think of something, right? Yeah? She thinks so. Maybe I'll let her do it next time. Okay. All right. Well, we're going to get to getting. You guys have a good night. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Happy thrifting.